Morning to all my dear students. That's our new chapter for class 12th chemistry. That's physical chemistry. फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर दैट इज सॉल्यूशन. बोर्ड के हिसाब से इसका वेटेज है only for 5 marks. जिनमें थ्री मार्क्स का तो सिर्फ न्यूमेरिकल आता है और 2 मार्क्स का डेफिनेशन और डिफरेंस आता है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग सीखेंगे इसमें व्हाट आर द चैप्टर कंटेंट. चैप्टर कंटेंट in this chapter. First of all, we will learn in this only solution and its types, and then we will consider solution and its types, and then we will consider concentration terms. Concentration terms. In the concentration terms, we will learn that only molarity, molality, parts per million, percentage by volume, and percentage by mass, etc. And the next way we will learn vapor pressure. That is what? Vapor pressure. In solution, vapor pressure in solute. In solution, vapor pressure in solution having volatile and non-volatile solute. This is also known as Raoult's law. And in the next, we will learn about ideal and non-ideal solution. Ideal and non-ideal solution. In the next, we will learn non-ideal solution in case of azeotrophs or azeotropic mixture or constant boiling mixture, also known as constant boiling mixture. Then we will consider most important topic, that is colligative property. Colligative property. And in the colligative property, we will consider relative lowering in vapor pressure, in short, we will learn RLVP. And the next way, that is elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point, also known as EVP. Then depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point, also called DFP. And the last colligative property is just osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure, that is also known as OP. And in the osmotic pressure, we will learn a new thing, hypertonic, hypotonic and isotonic solution. And the last topic of this chapter is abnormal molar mass. Abnormal molar mass, also known as want of factor. The abnormal molar mass will be studied in two cases, for two cases only. Associated solute and dissociated solute. These are the chapter content in this chapter. We will learn about that. And after that, we will start the solution in its types. Solution and its types. Basically, what is solution? What is solution? The solution is a homogeneous mixture, nothing else. Solution is what? Homogeneous mixture, nothing else. Solution. It is a homogeneous mixture. If we say what is solution, solution is just only the sum of solute and solvent. What is actually solute and what is actually solvent? The solute which is present in lesser amount in a solution, and the solvent which is present in a higher amount or higher quantity in the solution. For example, if we dissolve sugar in water, then sugar is called solute and the water is called solvent. If we want to define the solute and the solvent respectively, separately, then we will say solute is what? Solute is for what? The substance which loses its property in the solution. The substance which loses its property in the solution. And the solvent is for what? The substance which retain their property or its property in the solution. For example, if we dissolve sugar in water, then sugar dissolves and after some time it disappears in a water. So we can say solute or sugar just loses its property in the water. So that we can say sugar is for what? Solute, and the water which retain its quantity in the solution, this is known as called solvent. So this is called solute and solvent. And if we define solution, then we can say it is a homogeneous mixture. Then solution is for what? Solution के types. There are only two types of solution. Number one is dilute solution, and the number two is concentrated solution. Dilute solution and concentrated solution. We only define the dilute and concentrated solution respectively. What are dilute solution? एक ऐसा सॉल्यूशन जिसमें सॉल्यूट की क्वांटिटी सॉल्वेंट के रिस्पेक्ट में कम हो, दिस इज कॉल्ड डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन. फॉर द एग्जांपल, इफ आई से if we want to define the dilute solution, the solution in which solute is present in a very small quantity, as compared to solvent. Is called dilute solution. If I say the solution in which solvent is present, or we can say the solution in which solute is present, solute is present in a very large quantity. Or in a higher amount. Is termed as concentrated solution. But remember one thing, always solute in a small quantity and solvent is in large quantity. Always. सोल्यूट हमेशा कम क्वांटिटी में प्रेजेंट होगा और सॉल्वेंट हमेशा हायर अमाउंट या लार्ज अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होगा. दैट इज द टोटल definition of the terms of solution regarding solute, solvent and the type of solution that is dilute and concentrated solution. इसके बाद हम लोग एक नया टर्म डिफाइन करेंगे, that is what? Solubility. What is solubility exactly? Solubility. The maximum amount of solute present in 100 gram of solvent at a specific temperature and pressure is known as solubility. The maximum amount of solute present in 100 gram of solvent at a specific temperature and pressure is known as solubility. Solubility may be considered as three types. For the example, if I say it has three parts, that is for what? If I say only liquid solution, then it will be immiscible. जब एक लिक्विड दूसरे लिक्विड में डिसॉल्व नहीं होता है, घुलता नहीं है, बस एक सेपरेट लेयर बना लेता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑयल इन वाटर, देन इट इज सेड टू बी immiscible. The second thing is completely miscible. जब एक लिक्विड किसी दूसरे लिक्विड में कंप्लीटली डिसॉल्व हो जाता है, कंप्लीटली घुल जाता है, उसको हम कहते हैं कंप्लीटली मिसिबल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाटर इन मिल्क और वाटर इन अल्कोहल. एंड द थर्ड इज पार्शियली miscible. पार्शियली मिसिबल जब एक लिक्विड किसी दूसरे लिक्विड में एक एक्सटेंट तक डिसॉल्व होता है, उसके बाद फिर वो डिसॉल्व होना बंद हो जाता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड पार्शियली मिसिबल लिक्विड्स. सो दीज आर द फैक्टर्स एंड द टर्म्स रिलेटेड टू द सॉल्यूशन. सॉल्यूशन क्या है? इट इज द होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ टू टाइप्स ऑफ or having two components, that is solute and solvent. So the solute, solvent, solution and solubility, these are the terms related to the solution. In the next wave we will learn types of solution. Types of solution. But before starting types of solution, let's have a know components. If a solution has two components, minimum two components. First one is solute and second one is solvent. If I say solvent is constant, but solute अगर हम different solute मिलाते जाएं तो एक ही solvent में कई सारे solute dissolve हो सकते हैं. And solution having two component is termed as binary solution. Binary solution. Next thing is what? Solution having three component termed as ternary solution.